Hello! In this lesson, I'm going to look at some ideas and vocabulary for a new topic that has appeared in part 1 of the IELTS speaking test. That's the topic of dictionaries. Now, I'm sure you have used a dictionary, but do you know how to describe different dictionaries? Well, let me give you some ideas so that you can give a good answer in your test. Well, of course, we use dictionaries mainly to get a definition so that we can understand the word. But let's look at another kind of dictionary. That is a bilingual dictionary. Bilingual. Bilingual. So 3 syllables, bilingual. Bilingual. Now, a bilingual dictionary is a dictionary with 2 languages. For example, Vietnamese and English. And of course, this type of dictionary is very useful because the definitions are given in our own language. So that means it's easier for us to understand the definition, the meaning of the word. Another type of dictionary is a thesaurus. Thesaurus. And the stress is on the 2nd syllable. Thesaurus. And a thesaurus is a dictionary of synonyms. Synonyms. Stress at the beginning. Synonyms. And synonyms are words with the same meaning. So, for example, we could say food, meals, dishes. It all has a very similar meaning. And synonyms are very useful so that we can build our vocabulary. So a thesaurus is a dictionary which has synonyms, and that means words with the same meaning. And of course, often the dictionary also gives antonyms. Antonyms. And the stress here, antonyms. Do you know what that means? Well, antonyms are words of the opposite meaning. So if my word is hot, a synonym could be boiling. The antonym, the opposite, would be cold. So a thesaurus is a fantastic dictionary to improve and develop your vocabulary. In fact, I recommend that you do get an English thesaurus. It will help you with your IELTS speaking test and the writing test. In fact, all parts of the IELTS test. Now, the next dictionary that I want to introduce you to is the online dictionary. I am sure you have used it sometime. Now, the online dictionary has definitions. Sometimes it has synonyms and antonyms, but the online dictionary has one advantage, and that is you can often hear the pronunciation of a word. In an online dictionary, there is often a little button to press, and you click and you can hear the pronunciation of the word, and that helps you for your speaking. So that has a lot of advantages. And the last dictionary that we can look at is the electronic dictionary. Now, the electronic dictionary is multifunctional. 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 So that's a long word, multifunctional. Multi means many. Functional means the functions. So an electronic dictionary has many functions. Some electronic dictionaries have an encyclopedia, which is a dictionary of knowledge. They have bilingual dictionaries, monolingual dictionaries, thesauruses. They are also very useful because they are convenient. And that means they are convenient because they are portable. And portable means we can carry them. We can carry them anywhere. They are often pocket-sized, so they go into your coat or into your trousers very easily. So an electronic dictionary is multifunctional. It can do many different things. It is convenient to use because it is portable and light and easy to carry. So there's a lot of new words that you've got maybe in this lesson today. So please watch this lesson one more time, practice the words, and if you have any questions, please drop me a line. Now, this is a new topic, as I said, the topic of dictionaries, but in IELTS there is also another topic, a common topic, and that's the topic of languages. And a common question in languages is, what tools do you use to learn a language? And tools means the objects or the things that you use to help you learn a language. If you get that question in the topic of languages, please start using some of these ideas and words. They're high band score, they're very, very good. So practice pronouncing the words and using them. Well, that's all for this lesson. I'll see you again in another IELTS lesson.